Welcome to the Business Behind the Scene podcast with Francesca Moi, where we talk all about real business problems, real solutions, and getting actual results in your business. Hello and welcome to episode number 209 of Business Behind the Scene. We are coming back strong with an amazing podcast today, talking about Delegation Mastery Kit. We have created this amazing package to really help business owners with the struggles of running a business. And I wanted to share with you today my struggles and things that are done to overcome it. And then we're going to talk about the Delegation Mastery Kit that we have created to overcome all the struggles of running businesses. We are literally back because so many of you were like, oh my goodness, what's happening with this podcast? Business Behind the Scene was one of my top podcasts. I love it. And so we're back. And we wanted to bring more value to you. I've got my marketing team working really hard to come up with like topics and things that are going to be useful to all of you guys. So I am excited. I am excited to be back. Now we're going to keep all these podcasts very short, 10 to 15 minutes, because we know that you are time poor, because we all know business owners are time poor. And so we want to try to keep it straight to the point so that you get value and then off you go with your day. So today I want to talk to you about my struggles in business that hopefully you resonate with some of those as well. So step number one, as a business owner, I'm not sure about you, but my biggest struggles at the beginning of the business was social media. I was like doing it myself, but I wasn't being very consistent because obviously I was running a business behind as well. So I was trying to do social media. I was trying to be consistent. I was trying to do all the things, but I was struggling to stay on top of it all. And so one of the biggest problems that we get from our clients, they come to us, that they got this struggle with the social media growth. They don't know where to start from. They don't have a strategy. They want someone to do it for them. And it's just that fight with social media. Should I be in it? Should I not be in it? How am I going to get clients from it? Is it going to be worth it? Is it going to, should I spend time in it? Should I spend money in it? And so for me, social media is number one way for us to get clients. We have created such a strong following, and we've created a place where people get to get value, where people listen to us. So as you guys know, we have a podcast, we have Facebook, we have LinkedIn, we have Instagram, and we have now TikTok as well, but we're not that big on it on TikTok. And I have delegated all of this to my team. I wouldn't be able to do it by myself. It would have been too much. So when I was doing on my own, I will only focus on Facebook. But I did one thing and I did it okay, but I wasn't consistent, right? So because I would do social media and then I would get clients and then I would go look after the clients and then it'd be like, well, what happened to all the leads? Where are they? Where are all my clients? And then all of a sudden I'm like, oh, I haven't been posting on social media because I was looking after my clients. And so then I had to go back to social media, start from scratch again, build that relationship, build value, add a lot of knowledge into social media, and then people will get curious, and then they wanted to book a call, and then I will get fully booked again, and then I will disappear. And it was just like a vicious cycle, and a lot of people don't know that they fall into that. So if you're there, that's you. The second one is feeling overwhelmed by daily tasks and really poor time management. This was definitely me. So I was struggling with time management. I was all over the place. I was not organized because obviously I'm an idea person and being organized wasn't part of my skills. And so I had to train myself in time management, and I became so good at it that I created actually a course with that. So stay tuned, because actually today we're going to give you that incredible bundle where you can get all these things that I have used for myself to be able to learn how to get over all these problems, all these struggles in business. And so time management, I turned into from my biggest flaw to my biggest strength. And now time management is my key to success. And number 3 is difficulty delegating tasks and trusting others with my work. That was totally me. I was like a control freak and I couldn't really let go. And so I had to learn how to delegate by making mistakes. I had to learn from other people. I had to ask other leaders, what do you do? How do you do it? How do you delegate to people? And I became a master at that. So this is one more thing. In fact, I wrote the Power Delegation book because of that frustration with delegating. Then we have not knowing how to make the most of a virtual assistant. So how to leverage on virtual assistants and how to stop micromanaging them and how to really make the most out of their time and productivity and all of that. So that came through me being a control freak and not being able to let go. And so I had to learn that. So I've created a course on that as well. And then the thing is this, right? I was trying to wear so many hats. I was trying to do it all. I was trying to, which at the beginning of the business, you pretty much have to. But then I was able to realize which were the hats that I had to keep, which were the hats that I had to delegate, which the hats that I had to drop altogether, which the hats that I had to still manage, but someone else had to do it. And so I created a bit of a platform and a space where my team can work independently, and they can just report to me, and we can just go fast, because I love to go fast in business. But it's been such a journey, because I was burning out at the beginning, because I was having all these team members, but it was adding more work to me. And I was like, this is not a win. Like, having all these team members sounds like draining. It sounds like exhausting. They're asking me 2,000 questions every day, all day. I don't have time for this. This is not what I was supposed to be, right? And it's really important to understand that if you feel like when you have team members, you're feeling like it's more work, that means that you may have fallen into the trap, like me, into micromanaging your team rather than give them a recurring tasks and give them procedures so that they can actually go off and do the work without bothering you every 5 minutes. And it's been a journey. But once we got there, just the freedom right now, as you guys may know, if you follow me on social media, I work about 20 hours a week, sometimes less. And that's because I've got a team of people doing, and I'm the one checking, because doers don't do what checkers don't check. And that was the biggest thing that I've learned out of this. So because of all the things that I've learned, my team came up with an incredible idea that for Black Friday, we come up with an incredible bundle, Delegation Master Kit. So Delegation Mastery Kit is part, like all these pieces come together. So we put together like an organic Facebook marketing course to really show you exactly what I did at the beginning to go from invisible to invincible on my social media. And you can use that on any platform. It's called the Organic Facebook Marketing Course because I started with Facebook, but you can really implement this in any of the platforms that you want to use. So Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, all the same. Then we are going to give you access to our Empower Virtual Solution mini course. And in this course is where we share with you all the difficulty and the mistakes that people make when delegating to a virtual assistant. And it's a very good course. People really love that one. Number 3 is the time management course, which is saved my life forever. So I became a master of time management, and I'm showing you how I do it every step of the way. And then you also get a copy of my Power Delegation ebook, which is my latest book, book number 4, that came out literally a month ago. And in that book, I share with you all my secrets on delegation, how to stop micromanaging my team, how to empower them to be a leader, and how to, be able to step out of business as much as possible. And so this is bundle is for anybody that is a business owner, entrepreneur, solopreneur, managers, anyone that is looking to scale the business or their team, right? If they're managing a team and want to really start to be more productive and creating more results with the power of the team. And the team that we're talking about is obviously mostly virtual. So if anybody is thinking about outsourcing, is thinking about there must be a faster and cheaper way to do this, then this actually bundle is for you. My team has made an incredible prize for the first 50 people. This bundle is only $19. Like not 90, 19, like 19. You believe it? Incredible. So if you guys are interested in this, it's literally for me to give back. I'm so passionate about business, and I'm so passionate about doing things that I just wanted to bring this. And so I said to my team, help me create something that we can give away for Black Friday to really get the community engaged and add value to people that, like me, struggle to delegation and struggle to get the business to the next level. And so hopefully these will be some of the tools that you can do. So this is all of it. So 4 things you're going to get for $19, but only for the first 50 people. So you got to be quick at this. We want to really make sure that you understand, like, I know that sometimes people are like, I don't have time to watch these, and is this going to be working for me? Look, if you do it, it's going to work for you. Like, there's no doubt. If you watch it and you implement what we tell you, it's going to work. We've shared this with over hundreds and hundreds of people. All my clients go through this. It's just a game changer. And the reason why we put all of this together, because people were buying one of these at a time. We're like, okay, let's just create a bundle and help you. So is this going to be worth it? Absolutely. $19 for all these 4 things is going to change your life. So everybody, get it. Is the Black Friday sale that we have on only for the first 50 people, $19. It's yours. So thank you so much for being listening to our podcast, for being here, for supporting us. And this is my gift back to you. It's like I wanted to help you without giving you that, extra expense in business. And so this is going to be a game changer for you. I hope that you enjoy. And if you do, make sure that you come and leave us a review. Ciao. Thank you so much for listening to this amazing podcast. Now, if you enjoyed this, you're definitely going to love my Facebook group where I've got over 11,000 people in it, and they're all business owners successful like you. It's called the Successful Entrepreneur Lounge, and in there I do classes every week, and I get to interview my clients, and I get to teach you all the things that I've done to get my business to 100K plus a month. So I look forward to have you in there. It's called the Successful Entrepreneur Lounge Facebook group in Facebook. I look forward to see you there. Ciao.